Hi guys, it's Soulxgasms here and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, please take a sec and subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this red color. I got it the same way I got the gray, using the High Beams temporary spray on hair color. This is in color Rockstar red. So I'm going to show you how I apply this color, and then I'm going to come back and tell you how I feel about this color. So yeah. So this is day 3 hair. As you can see, it isn't super full. It looks a bit limp and scarce. It's another reason I'm doing this spray on dye. But first, I am going to start with my undercut. I'm just going to slick my undercut back out of the way so that I can then apply the dye to the top of my hair. To slick my hair back, I am using a detangler and the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed elongating gel. I'm not even going to mention the detangler because it was trash. I was better off saving my money and just using water. But yeah, I'm using those two together to slick my undercut back. My undercut has gotten pretty long. Actually, I shot this video in January, so my undercut has gotten much more unruly since then. So because it's so long, I'm not just gonna slick it back. I'm gonna braid the back of it because the curls behind there can get really puffy and just offset the entire style. Alrighty, now let's get to the fun part. All you'll need is a pair of gloves and the spray dye. I'm using the High Beams Intense color in Rockstar red. First, I'm going to start by separating my hair into sections so that it's easier to apply the dye. It's easier to apply it in smaller sections than trying to apply it to your entire head, just in terms of pigment consistency. So the directions on the can says to shake well before using and hold the can 10 inches away from your hair and spray in short, quick bursts. I didn't follow these directions to a T. I started out, doing everything by the book. And as my arms started to get tired, as I started to get tired, it was like, alright, let me just find the best way to do this. So as you can see, sometimes I spray the dye super close to my hair, and sometimes I don't do the short quick burst. I go into the strand and I spray. I just spray on the strand. You can do what works best for you. you guys on Instagram to recommend colors, and this was the color you recommended, the Rockstar red. So thanks for that. I was super excited to try this red because red is one of my favorite hair colors. I rocked red hair for a really long time before I went like fully blonde, and this was before I started a YouTube channel. But that red hair was so freaking hard to remove from my hair. It took me like a year and some to get the red hairs removed, because although the red hair came out of my hair was like this rose goldy color, which was cute. In hindsight, it's really cute, and it's a color that I guess I would love to have again. But while I was trying to get it red out of my hair, that shit was not cute. It literally took me more than a year to get the red out of my hair. So I think this is a awesome alternative. I didn't give you guys a full review on the gray hairspray that I did, but it's the same brand. But although it's the same brand, I've been noticing some differences with the two colors. For example, the silver transferred a lot. The red does not transfer that much. I literally have to rub my hand in my hair to get it to transfer, but it still does transfer though. I think that's the main difference. Oh, the silver also went on a bit more pigmented, but this, if you look, you can still like see some blonde there, and I can easily go over that with the dye, but I don't feel like it because I don't mind the color. I really don't mind this color that I have here. One thing that I really do love about these spray on dyes is that they make your hair look a lot fuller. I can insert a clip here of how my hair looked before I put on the dye, and look how much fuller my hair looks. My hair looks like it has so much body, like it's so thick and full. So thank you guys so much for watching. You can hit me up in the comments below and let me know what color you would like me to try next, and also what brands you would like me to try. I have now started using these spray on hair colors, and this is the first and only brand I've tried so far. So if you are like a spray on hair color company or a hair wax company, or you do know any of these companies, please let me know so that I could experiment more.